Can you name me 3 countries outside of North America?
Can you name me 3 dogs you've eaten in the past month?
What are you doing?
Calling my boyfriend.
Man, f your boyfriend. Come stay with me instead.
I don't date niggas!
Oh! Oh.
Shorty,
Number
how old you is?
9086.
I'm 13.
You're 13? You need to get off this app. There's pedophiles.
I know. But they're just mad.
I'm not mad.
I know.
What the? Oh shit, you got some big ass tits, don't you?
I have another big thing, baby boy.
Oh, I like that. I like that. You thought that you was gonna ruin me. I don't give a fuck.
Get the fuck away from me! I hate you! Stop playing the fucking song! I hate you so much! I'm literally typing in your eye. Don't fucking play it! I just got bullied for being gay.
Oh yeah? What's about to happen again?